Best ways to build wealth with no money. Learning how to build wealth from nothing might sound like a mission impossible, especially if you have always believed that wealthy people either inherit their wealth or have benefited from powerful connections. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. 1. Educate yourself about money. Our mindset is always the first thing that needs to change before we can truly approach any larger transformations in our lives. Everyone has the ability to build a financial ark to survive and flourish in the future, said Robert Kiyosaki, business magnate and author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. But you must invest time in your financial education to build an ark with a solid foundation. The first step to building wealth from nothing is thus to invest time in your financial education. Become familiar with essential terms like income, expenses, net worth, return on investment, passive income, and financial independence, among others. Read books, listen to podcasts and interviews, take courses, and follow financial education blogs like SERACH. Keep in mind that financial education, like every kind of education, must be a continuous activity. Never stop learning. But a word of caution is important here. The democratization of financial information means there is a lot of inaccurate information out there. Ensure you only follow reputable blogs that will provide genuine information and direct you to resources from trusted and successful investors, business people, and financial advisors. 2. Get a regular income source. It's hard to build wealth from nothing without a regular source of income. You cannot invest without saving money, and you can't save money without a regular income. This is to say that people don't build sustainable wealth from multi-level marketing, Ponzi schemes, or betting. Learn to ignore people who promote get-rich-quick schemes that build wealth just by working 3 hours a week. Sustainable wealth comes from creating value over the long term. If you are not creating intrinsic value and earning income from that good or service, it's truly impossible to build sustainable wealth. So get a good job if you don't have one. Here are 13 steps you can take, and keep your job if you do have one. If you are a small business owner, continue to focus on creating more long-term value. All wealth comes from adding value, said Brian Tracy, a self-development expert, which includes establishing a business model that can produce more, better, cheaper, faster, and easier than someone else. 3. Create a budget. Creating a budget and sticking to it is crucial if you want to know how to build wealth from nothing. Using that regular income source we just spoke of, now you need to create a budget to take control of how you are spending your money, usually set on a monthly basis. A budget is a financial plan for a defined period that contains estimated income and expenditures for that period. Every household or individual needs to create at least a monthly budget to identify your expected income and estimated expenditure. Living without a proper budget is like sailing without a compass, and you can guarantee that you'll get lost in the seas of financial missteps. A popular budgeting technique is the 50-30-20 rule. In this technique, you can formulate a budget where 50% of income goes to essential expenses, rent, mortgage, food, healthcare, 30% to non-essentials like shopping, vacation, entertainment, and 20% to savings and investments. Why is budgeting important? One main reason is that by understanding how you spend your money, it's easier to identify the things that can be cut. The lower your expenses, the more you can add to your savings and investments. By identifying and cutting unnecessary and avoidable costs, you can build wealth faster. It's that simple. 4. Improve your skill set. There are 2 ways to increase your savings and investments: lower your expenses or grow your income. While many financial advisors focus on the former, the latter deserves its fair share of attention. If you are an employee, improve your skill set by taking professional courses and immersing yourself in continuous career development. By improving your skills, both hard and soft, you can earn promotions or get better job offers from other companies, which means higher income. If you own a small business, improve your understanding of the market, commit more resources to innovation, and provide more value to your customers. By doing this, you can increase your market share and earn more revenue. 5. Practice extreme savings from your income. While the 50-30-20 rule is a good place to start, you'll find that you can save a lot more if you put in the effort. Once you are committed to building wealth, there will be many items in your budget that you can reduce or cut. You won't be alone in doing so. Today, there is no shortage of communities that promote ways to practice extreme savings. The financial independence, retire early movement, known as FIRE, is among the most popular. They promote extreme saving strategies that encourage adherents to save a huge percentage of their monthly income. Jacob Lunk Fisker, one of the FIRE movement's founders, proposed and practiced a strategy that called for investing 60% to 80% of one's monthly income. Fisker ended up retiring at the age of 33 and now lives on $7,000 per year outside of Chicago. Fisker and other leaders in the FIRE movement have grown large communities based on the success of their personal finance experiments to cut down on expenses and the consumerism that ratchets them up. Thank you for watching.